Hi kids, today we are going to see few popular dog breeds. Also about the origin and lifespan of those breeds. Come, let's get started. Labrador. Origin of this breed is United Kingdom and Canada. Lifespan is 12 to 13 years. Bulldog. Origin of this breed is England. Lifespan is 8 to 12 years. German Shepherd. Origin of this breed is Germany. Lifespan is 9 to 13 years. Dachshund. Origin of this breed is Germany. Lifespan is 12 to 16 years. Pug. Origin of this breed is China. Lifespan is 12 to 15 years. Dobermann. Origin of this breed is Germany. Lifespan is 10 to 13 years. Pomeranian. Origin of this breed is Germany and Poland. Lifespan is 12 to 16 years. Dalmatian. Origin of this breed is Croatia. Lifespan is 10 to 13 years. Golden Retriever. Origin of this breed is Scotland. Lifespan is 10 to 12 years. Beagle. Origin of this breed is England. Lifespan is 12 to 15 years. Poodle. Origin of this breed is Germany and France. Lifespan is 12 to 15 years. Yorkshire Terrier. Origin of this breed is England. Lifespan is 13 to 16 years. Boxer. Origin of this breed is Germany. Lifespan is 9 to 15 years.
Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thank you.